Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll learn how to track your marketing expenses in LeadCenter. Adding your spend here gives you full visibility into cost breakdowns across your marketing efforts, helping you understand what's working and what's not. You'll be able to track cost per campaign, cost per lead, cost per appointment, and overall return on investment. To ensure accurate reporting, make sure you assign each expense to the correct campaign when entering it into the system. If the marketing expense is tied to a specific seminar or event, be sure to select that event when logging the spend. This ensures the cost is properly associated with the right campaign and included in the related reports. In the marketing dashboard, go to the green menu on the left and click on Marketing Expenses. This opens the Marketing Expenses page, where you can manage and track your spending. From this page, you can add new marketing expenses and view existing entries. You can also filter expenses by campaign to get a focused view of your marketing spend. For example, to see expenses tied specifically to seminars or events, apply the filter for those campaigns. This displays only the expenses entered under seminars and events. To enter a new marketing expense, click the Add button. This opens the marketing expense dialog box. Start by selecting the campaign, such as Google Ads, and then choose an expense category. You can add new categories from the settings page, or quickly click the link here to create one. For this example, we'll select Paid Digital Ads as the category. Next, choose the spend date. For example, the last day of the previous month. Expenses don't need to be logged daily. You can enter them all at once at the end of the month. Just select any date, typically the last day, and sum up the total amount for that period. If this marketing expense is related to a specific event, select the event from the event list here. Note that the campaign name field will be retired soon, so you no longer need to enter a name manually. Just make sure to select the campaign from the drop-down list above. You can also add internal notes, for example, search ads, and then click Save. The expense will appear in your list. Use the year and month filters to narrow down your view. Once expenses are tracked, they'll automatically appear in multiple reports across LeadCenter. Starting with the Marketing Expenses report. Click the Reports drop-down at the top of the page, then select Marketing Expenses from the list. This opens the full Marketing Expenses report, where you can view, track, and analyze your spending across campaigns, all in one place. At the top, you'll see the total amount spent during the selected time period. You can also adjust the range to view spending trends over longer periods of time. This report includes detailed breakdowns by source, campaign, and expense category. It also displays a timeline of marketing expenses and a pie chart showing spend distribution by source. Below the charts is a table showing all your marketing expenses by campaign, category, and date, giving full visibility into your spend. Thank you.